Hi and welcome, I'm GC, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to get a QR code for your website. So what I've done is I brought you over to this template, but any of the templates in the gallery you will be able to use. So if we scroll down and let's say we want to add a QR code here, click on add new content, and under contents I've selected this block here. But any of the blocks that's got an image, you can add the QR code. So we'll click on there. So this will load the block, and this is where we're going to put the QR code. So next we're going to find the code. So if we go to settings, and if you look under website settings, you'll see 4 squares. Then this is where the QR code is. We click on that, and this is your code, and this is your link. And then what you'll need to do is download it. And when you've downloaded it, if we go back to the image, click on image, and then click on the image again. And what you'll need to do is upload the file. And when you've uploaded the file, you'll find it in here. So what we need now to do is click on there. And when you've clicked on that, save changes, and there you go, that's added the code for you. So that's how to add a QR code to your website. So thanks for looking, and I'll see you on the next video.